In this video, I am going to show you how to get TikTok Shop coupons. 1. Promotional campaigns. Keep an eye on TikTok's official social media channels, blog posts, or newsletters for announcements of special promotional campaigns. 2. In-app notifications. TikTok may send in-app notifications or alerts to users, informing them about ongoing promotions or special deals. Check your notification to see. 3. Participate in challenges or contests. TikTok occasionally runs challenges or contests where users can participate and stand a chance to win coupons or discounts. 4. Follow TikTok Shop accounts. TikTok may have official accounts of profiles dedicated to TikTok Shop updates and promotions. 5. Check partner promotions. Some TikTok Shop promotions may be in collaboration with other brands or partners. 6. Newsletter subscriptions. If TikTok offers a newsletter or mailing list, consider subscribing to it. 7. Explore TikTok ads. Because they may use in-app advertising to promote special offers or discounts, keep an eye on sponsored content within the app. And that's simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.